for today's video, I'm gonna turn myself into one of the most requested cast in the Squid Game. That please, Hannah, please recreate number 67 or Sae-byeok. Am I right? I'm not really sure if it's Sae-byeok. Sae-byeok? The supermodel. And I think it's her first time to act in the big screen. Like, this is her first major role, I guess. And first acting project, because she's really a model. And yeah, she's good in the series. And a lot of people idolize her right now. Her career boom like that. This will be my last makeup inspired look for my Squid Game series. And already did the doll, HoYeon Jung, and Player 01. So if you haven't watched it, go watch it now. So there will be a second season. I'll be doing more cast. This makeup look is kinda simple and easy, I guess. I don't know how I will pull this look off. It is easier to me if our face shape is similar. But I think what I'm gonna do is just watch it. Disclaimer, this is just an inspired makeup look, not really a transformation, okay? Don't forget to like this video now, then comment. Actually, my brain now is floating and I don't know what to say. So let's begin the makeup tutorial of number 67. Let the makeup begin.
the words, darling, kiss me. Fill my heart with song, let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true.
So guys, my phone got drained and I wasn't able to film on how I did my hair. So I'm just gonna show you the back. So yeah, pinagtagpi-tagpi ko lang sila. Hanggang sa naging ganyan na sa pag-isa. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Yung character niya sobrang cool. Subscribe!
Bang!